Hello everybody, welcome back to Water Closet channel. Lockdown 1 week, not lockdown, circuit breaker in Singapore, so still in my room. Anyway, Parcel is here. Yup. I bought this during flash sales. It's a cute thing. So anyway, just pop it open. It's kind of sad that when you buy something online, those stores in Singapore is slower than those stores in China. When you buy from China, it took only about 9 days to reach my doorstep. But if you buy from local Singapore store, it took more than 2 weeks. Bubble wrap. Okay, that's the box. And this is another truly wireless earbud. Very cute, isn't it? BT21 BT21 line friend. Oh, top of it. Can't see, I'll just shut it up again. Yep, that's it. Line friend. This is little rabbit. His name is Corgi. Basically, this is a character from the boy band. BT21 official TWS truly wireless earbud. It have a BTS logo strap right hand side here. BT21. There's Corgi casing. Actually, it's a cover, this one, and the case is actually this one, and this is the wireless earbud. From top, little small hanger. From the left is a wireless. Oh my god, it's wireless charging. At this price, oh great, it's totally worth it. And it's QC3020 Bluetooth 5.0. Behind is a cute thing. See, a cute cookie. And all these are Korean. Don't know how to read it. And it's line certified. Line friends. See that logos. Very cute. Take a look at this. So it has 7 types of it. Have Chimmy, green color. Kogi, this one. Koya is a purple color with a collar. A Mang, which is a horse head. RJ, the little sheep. Shoki, a little shit. Tata, big love. That's all. Yeah, that's 7 of them. Anyway, let's open this thing. I think I don't need knife anymore. Okay, let's open it. Oh, this is really cute, man. I hope I can get all of them. I'll definitely buy again. Doesn't matter what is the quality sound like, but the box itself is already too damn cute. Okay, that's all. So I can just open this up. Alright, and that's it. Oh, there's a cute little manual here. Usually we don't give a shh about this. It's really cute, see? All the characters. True wireless stereo bud. Yeah, it's stereo bud. Yes. And oh, you have English, you have Korean. Oh, the English seems like limited. So it's a Qualcomm QCC 3020, which is, I think it's an 01, kind of 01. 40 milliamp power, 4.5 gram each. And what is this? 1 to 1.5? I don't know. Charging time? Yeah, maybe. And oh, this is maybe the box, 250. So you can charge this little bud inside the case for 6 times more. 10 meters, 43 gram total. IPX5, which is waterproof. Well, no, it's water splash proof. Okay, and the controls all are in Korean. So okay, this thing worth to be kept. Yep. And let's see what we have here. Oh, very solid. See, it's very thick. And where is this? BT21. Yep, that's a trademark there. And small little hook. Oh, this is so solid, man. Strap is very solid. Yep. Aside from this is the charging cables. Thing should be Type C. Yep, it's a Type C charging cables. I'm not going to use that. I got a lot of charging cables, so I don't even have to open it. This is the ear tips. There's a small size and a big size. Oh, this is a small little cute charging case. So open it up. Is a little bit magnet there. Yeah, you can hear it. And it's actually a two pin on top. Nothing more. And bottom, what we can see here, oh, it's like this. Model KCL EBT001. Input power 5 watts and 5 watts. Okay, nothing more. And made in China. Yeah, go China. And on top is the BT21. Open it up. Nothing more. And the little cute case is actually very solid. See, it's a PVC, I think, or ABS. Let's open it. Let's see how we can fit this. Oh, there's actually 3M sticker here, so you'll tear this out. This 3M sticker, you can just tear this off and put a little but inside. Yeah, it fits so well. There's a charging case, there's a charging port, Type C charging port behind. There's a little gap there, and on top there is more. Oh, what is it? This is a spare double-sided you can use, and I think basically you don't need that because they already pre-applied the required one, and you don't have to use those spare one. And they should be like this, right? Yep. And that's it. It's so cute. And you can just hook your thing here. This is the hook. You hook it. Yeah. Then you can swing like that. And when you open it up, it's quite nice. And the green color LED indicator. Nice. And the touch feeling is, oh, it's so nice to touch here. I'll go back to the main thing. The two little earbuds here. Not as light as it is. A bit heavy compared to my others. Of course, I think the quality should be better. See, the light is blinking, means that it's ready to pair, and it's actually blocking out, not to have any oh no, it's a lead though, so that there's no other thing to like short circuit them at the moment of the delivery. See, the ear tip is actually quite thin here, see, and there's this microphone down here, and this is the left hand side, the BT21, and basically all the 7 types of different casing. I think all of them are the same inside and the earbuds are the same, only the difference is this case are different. Yeah, okay, I'm not going to connect. This will be a collection. Oh yeah, I have to test to throw this thing inside first, see how it looks before I close everything up. Okay, there's a little magnet there. When you just stay close to it, it just snap in, won't fall off, and close perfectly. Yeah, that's it. That's all for today. Stay safe, people. Happy, oh no, yeah, stay safe, stay alive, people. Cheers.